everyone, this is Chao with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. This is a reading which will cover messages from your angels and guides for this week starting from 8th to 14th November 2020. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a book, and this is pile B, which is a star. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, which is a book right here, I think you are going to gain insight this week. I think knowledge will be shared, or maybe you're also somebody who is going to be immersed in reading. Pile A, you're also looking at improving your prospects at work, so maybe you want to sign up for that educational course. Maybe online courses are also something that you're thinking about at this time in this week. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile A is the Tower card. I think unexpected developments is going to mark this week. Possibly, you also want to reach out to somebody, you want to communicate with that person. Maybe there's an urgency in your step because of this Mars energy which is compelling you to move forward. This week you're also going to be neck deep in work. Maybe there are going to be demands on your time, or everybody expects a piece of you. Perhaps finally you also need to be realistic and patient. Sometimes our expectations could not be met. That is why we feel a bit down and out. I think you should also understand that there's no point getting provoked, or there's no point overreacting. Sometimes, we get hot-headed and we become reckless, and then we realize that we have said things which we should not have said. The key here, pile A, is to weigh your words carefully. The next card in your reading is Wealthy Man from the Kipper cards. I think you're dealing with someone who is quite affluent, someone who has the Midas touch, or possibly you also need to be careful while working. Maybe there are errors which are there which you need to look into, because like I said, the tendency here is to rush headlong, so that is why you may overlook certain things. This week you could also be overwhelmed because there's going to be excess work lined up. There could be data which could be confusing for you. Maybe pile A, you should seek assistance from this wealthy man who is going to walk into your life this week. For some of you, this could also imply a father figure, or maybe someone at work who has got the means and the resources to help you out. In case you're in the leadership position, I think this is the week when you're going to look into or supervise new workers who enter the workplace. Your angels and ancestors are also asking you to be more wild and free, to be unfettered. You should not be constrained by the circumstances, rather you should go with the flow of life. It is imperative for you to unleash your talents and your desires this week. You are going to feel powerful. Maybe the moon is also going to affect your disposition this week. Truly, you are being guided this week to reconnect with your rebellious heart, to break those boundaries and to move ahead. Your angels are also going to guide you through signs and messages from the unseen world. Maybe you should look up at the sky and observe the signs that nature is giving you. There could be some cloud formations, or maybe somebody is going to give you a message which you need to hear. Your spirit guides are definitely by your side. Even your spirit animals could show up. Maybe for some of you it's the wolf which is asking you to look deeper. Things will definitely look up this week for you, because prosperity, health and abundance is something which is a recurring message. We did have the wealthy man here, and we also have green, which talks about abundance and prosperity here. Like the color green, you're going to be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Maybe nature is also going to be bountiful towards you. I think prosperity energy is something which you need to tap into this week. I think pile A, you're also going to reap the rewards of past labor. Maybe you have invested in mutual funds or the stock market, so good news is going to come in. Maybe deals could also be confirmed at the last minute. From the Normans, we have this card, woman. So a woman is also going to be a central figure, like this wealthy man here. There's also going to be a woman who seems to hold the key. We did clarify the woman, so we do have key from Lenormand, which talks about insight again. Pile, you did pick up this book here, so certainly insight is going to be there. Some important decisions are going to be made. I think even with respect to a health matter, you are going to get some insight. It could be an awakening moment for you this week. All in all, Pile, there are going to be unexpected developments and surprises in store for you this week between 8 to 14 November 2021. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the star right here, these are your messages for the week starting from 8 to 14 November 2021. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading is a very positive 8 of Wands here. Communication is going to bring in good news for you. Possibly in case you are looking for new avenues of income, then this is the card. Maybe there's an interview lined up for Pile B this week. Your prospects are going to be good. In fact, I think for some of you there could also be movement. You're going to be up and about. Maybe you're also making those travel plans this week. The next card in this reading is marriage from the Kipper cards. Again, this is a very positive energy. Certainly, maybe for some of you, it is also possible that you're going to hear from your person. He expects you to settle down with him, or you will be discussing commitment and marriage. In case Pile B, you're going to get that happy news, I think you should put that down in the comment section. Maybe some of you are also planning for your impending wedding, or maybe you're also going to travel to attend a wedding. That's also a possibility for many of you. Some kind of celebration is definitely on the cards this week. Your angels and ancestors are also asking you to trust in the higher forces. Everything is going to work out well. We have this card shaman, so maybe alternative medicine is the key here. Maybe yourself a light worker or you're a healer of some kind. I think there could also be some kind of negative energy or psychic attack for some of you. So that is why I think the shaman is asking you to cleanse yourself, to cleanse your aura, or to detoxify. You know, there could be somebody who could tell you to live within the boundaries. Sometimes, communication can also go haywire because unwanted attention comes our way, or somebody could even question your financial matters this week. Nevertheless, I think you're going to feel renewed energy. We have this card, rainbow, so things are definitely going to look up. This is a very positive sign from your angels. They are working very closely with you, so you just need spiritual guidance at this time. Sometimes, Pile B, you should also be mute, or you should be a spectator. Keep your cards close to your chest, though this is a card which is talking about excess communication because of this Wands energy, the 8 of Wands. But then sometimes, it's best to stay quiet, to detach ourselves from certain situations, to just observe the proceedings. Silence also makes us very powerful. So at times, Pile B, you need to be incommunicator this week. The last card in your reading is the Sun from Lenormand. Again, this is a very positive card. This means that you're going to be in the spotlight. You're going to be the center of attention. You're going to shine bright. The Sun's energy makes you quite optimistic and positive in intent. In this reading, there are a lot of signs from the universe, from the rainbow to the sun. Besides, you did pick up the star, which is the guiding light. Even the owl is showing up in this picture here. So certainly, owl medicine is going to benefit you. You're going to gain wisdom this week. All in all, Pile B, this week is going to be the one when you will feel energized. You will feel like your prospects are looking up. Surely you're going to enjoy your place in the sun. I hope, Pile B, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.